Hello YouTube. I'd like to talk to you today about my wooden welding cart. I'm Lance, this is my workshop. I know what you're thinking, a wooden welding cart? A welding cart made out of wood? Come on. So it's made out of wood. So as a new metal worker, I don't have much scrap metal. So, built out of wood. I had these 4-caster tires. Well, I had 4, but one got all bent out of shape. I had a replacement. And using a couple pieces of plywood, scrap for the bottom. And then I used 2x4 and ripped it down to 3/4 inches wide for the tire frame. Then I used 1/2-inch plywood for the sides and the back. And I used 4 pieces of plywood for the top. Then I made a couple little boxes out of 1/2-inch plywood. And the back of my cart it's actually a hose reel, but I'm using it for my cords. I'll show you how it all goes together. So here it is, all loaded up. So I built the size I did because I had this particular spot open that I wanted to put it into. As you can see, it fits in there perfectly. Again, I'm Lance. This is my workshop, and thanks for watching.